Hi boys and girls. So today for our cooking activity we are going to make lemonade. I have a ton of fresh lemons off of the tree that I need to use, and so my kids are all at different levels of how much they can do the lemons. So I'm going to first show the boys how to safely cut their lemon in half. So we've already washed our lemons. Boys, watch me first and then you're going to try. You're going to hold one end the very closest to the end. With the knife, you're going to hold one finger out and you're going to put your knife in the middle of your lemon. And even maybe more toward the other end because you don't want it anywhere close to your fingers. And then you're just going to gently push down and saw. Back and forth, and push down. You're doing a good job. Maybe push just a little harder, Jax. There you go. Nice. And you want to watch and make sure your thumb is well out of the way. You did it. Great. And Matt, you're doing a good job. Yeah. And you'd like me to cut this one for you? Okay, good. And now the next step is we need to juice our lemons. So I've got a special hand tool that I can use, but if you don't have this, it's perfectly fine to juice it like this. You can just take your hand, squeeze it over your glass, and if the seeds get in there, that's okay. We can just be careful about drinking them, or you can get a spoon and scoop them out if they bother you. Okay, so Matt, can you show, just in half is good, can you show how you can juice your lemon with that? And Jax, you can use the hand tool. Girls, are you going to juice yours? Here's your cup, Julie.
I would juice my lemon.
Julie, here's your pink cup. Okay, here's a lemon for you. And I'll give you each 2 halves. So if you want to try once with your hand and once with the tool, you can do it that way. Great job, Jax. Why don't you do your next one by hand? That way we can give Julie the turn to use the tool. Good job, Jules. Here's the other half of your lemon. Okay. And again, for Julie, I'm going to help because this is going to take a lot of motor skills to squeeze. So squeeze. Nice. I like how you're using your hands. I'll help stabilize the cup. You do the squeezing. You can see I helped her get it started, but now she's able to squeeze by herself. She just needs help stabilizing the cup. Okay?
Done.
Awesome. Boys, you're doing a great job. Okay. Jules, I think yours is all squeezed. Let's give the squeezer to Bella for her next one.
I'm done, Mommy.
Oh, did you do 2? Yeah. Oh, great. Okay. And I think I better do mine because I only did half a lemon in mine.
What's next?
So I'm going to go ahead and give it a squeeze. And I got all that delicious lemon juice out. Okay, the next step is we need to pour in some water. So a rule when I'm doing it with my kids, I like to teach them is 1, 2, 3, stop. And I remember to teach them to stabilize the cup because as little ones, and now Juliana is so little, she needs 2 hands to hold this heavy pitcher. So you hold both hands. You do the pitcher part, I'll hold. And if they spill, that's okay. 1, 2, 3, stop. We can always clean it up. In this case, we're just gonna pour some back in. Okay, pass that to Bella. Okay, and now boys, how are you doing with your water? And then we can always add more water if it needs more water.
I need more water.
You're going to need a little more. Perfect. Oh, there's still more right there. Go ahead and pour it. Okay. So we've got our lemon juice. If you want to give it a taste now, you can and see what it tastes like. Just lemon and water. And tell me what it tastes like. Is it sweet or sour?
Sour.
Sour. So what can we add to make it sweet?
Good. Sugar.
We need to add some type of sweetener. So you can add just sugar, you could add honey, you could add agave syrup.
You could have both.
You could, but we're not going to. So you're going to choose one or the other. For the boys, they both chose that they wanted to do honey. Do you need help opening it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, and sometimes honey gets stuck short. So you're going to take 1 spoon, a clean spoon, make sure it's a clean one. You're going to dip it in and then put it in and then use that spoon to stir. Go for it, Jax. Okay? And you know how to do it. So go ahead and let's do once it gets pouring, 1, 2, 3, stop. Good. Pass it to Julie.
Now
Okay,
mix
Jules.
it.
And now mix it. 1, 2, 3, stop. Good job. And go ahead and stir it. So now, oh, and I need to add some to mine. 1, 2, 3, stop. Okay, and now we can give it a taste. And you can decide, is it too sweet, not sweet enough? If it's too sweet, you can add more.
Sour.
Yours is still sour, so you might want to add just a little more sugar. And again, you just,
Sour.
well, you haven't tasted it. Give it a taste. Is yours just right? Okay, now once you lick that spoon, can you put it back in the honey?
Nope.
Nope. So he's decided he needed more honey, but he knew not to put a dirty spoon in, so he's gonna go ahead and just pour a little in. Wow, that looks like it's gonna be some sweet lemonade.
I want
And
honey.
after you get just the right consistency, you can add some ice and enjoy. Thank you for making lemonade with us today, boys and girls. I hope you had as much fun as we did.
I want